I'm gonna start recording now. Yeah. Be on mute, all of you. Last class, we started with this chapter. We saw that liquids can conduct electricity. We did a few experiments. We took lemon juice, water, tap water, vinegar, kerosene, all those things, and we saw if they can conduct electricity or not. Okay, and then we also saw how to make a tester. Tester means a circuit that can test if electricity is there or not. Okay, so we saw that this is a tester. If the bulb glows, that means there's electricity. If it doesn't glow, there's no electricity. Okay, and then we saw all these symbols, all the symbols that we studied in last year. We revised all those things. And then I hope you guys remember all of this, whatever we've done so far. Give me a thumbs up if you're done with the revision, if you know what we have done last class also. Everybody is clear with the basics? Sabka basics clear hai?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
only getting 2 thumbs up, 4 thumbs ups, that's all. 5. Aisha Taj, Asma, Aisha Khanum, all sleeping.
No,
I need
ma'am.
to call out, then only you will give thumbs up. I don't even know if you're understanding. Chumma, you're giving me thumbs up and just sitting like that. Okay. Now we are going to start actually from the last part. Okay. I won't start from all of this. We'll come back to this, but we're going to start with electroplating. I want to show you an experiment of electroplating, and then I'll explain how that happened. Okay. So you guys keep your eyes on the screen. Guys, electroplating, you can, if you don't listen, it might be a problem. Isi experiment se we are going to do the whole chapter. Now whatever is left, so please pay attention to it. Okay, I'm going to start this.
बताए कॉपर प्लेटिंग क्या होता है और कैसे होता है। अगर नहीं तो चलिए एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं। आई एम अंकिता पटेल, वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल एजे पटेल इंस्टीट्यूट। इस वीडियो लेक्चर के अंदर हम बात करने वाले हैं कॉपर प्लेटिंग के बारे में। तो सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे कॉपर प्लेटिंग होता क्या है। कॉपर प्लेटिंग के अंदर क्या करते हैं, कोई अदर मेटल पर कॉपर का लेयर करते हैं, राइट। ये एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए हमने लिया है कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन, एक कॉपर की प्लेट है, एक है स्टील की प्लेट। और
I want you guys to notice कि ये कॉपर की प्लेट कहाँ लगा रहे हैं और स्टील की प्लेट कहाँ लगा रहे हैं. Okay, I told you that there is a positive and a negative terminal, if you remember that. So in the video, just watch which terminal they're putting the copper plate, which terminal they're putting the steel plate, and what is happening. Okay, I'm gonna ask you questions.
और ये जो कॉपर की प्लेट है उसको हमने बैटरी के नेगेटिव टर्मिनल के साथ कनेक्ट किया है, और ये जो स्टील की प्लेट है उसको हमने बैटरी के पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल के साथ कनेक्ट किया है। अब कॉपर प्लेटिंग करने के लिए हम ये जो 2 प्लेट है उसको कॉपर सल्फेट के सॉल्यूशन के अंदर रखेंगे। लेकिन यहाँ पर आपको ध्यान रखना है कि ये जो दोनों प्लेट है वो एक दूसरे के साथ टच नहीं होनी चाहिए, राइट, अदरवाइज शॉर्ट सर्किट होने के चांसेस रहते हैं। देन हम बैटरी को ऑन करेंगे और आफ्टर सम टाइम हम चेक करेंगे कि कॉपर प्लेटिंग हुआ कि नहीं। चलिए अब रिजल्ट चेक करते हैं। कि ये जो स्टील की प्लेट है, देखो आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो स्टील की प्लेट के ऊपर कॉपर जो है उसका लेयर आ गया है, राइट, और इसी प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं कॉपर प्लेटिंग। आई होप आपको
Did you guys see what happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Interesting.
Yes, ma'am. Very. Yes, ma'am.
Very, yes. So in which terminal did they put the copper plate, guys?
Negative.
In the negative one. In the negative one, they have put the copper plate, and in the positive one, they put
Steel plate.
steel plate. What is there in this? What is this water made up of?
Copper salt plate. Ma'am. Solution.
Yes. Ajira?
No, ma'am.
No, tell me, what is this made up of, this water? Copper? Copper what? Somebody gave me the answer. correct?
Copper sulfate solution.
Copper sulfate. Okay, copper sulfate. What is the symbol for copper? Who can tell me symbol for copper? Chemical symbol? Nobody
Ma'am,
remembers. Cu. And do you know what is sulfate?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes,
is
ma'am.
sulfate?
CO2.
Yes, two.
No.
Yes, O2.
SO4.
Two.
Okay. Copper sulfate is CuSO4. Now we'll come to your book. Okay. Everybody saw na what happened in the experiment. कोई है जिसको समझ नहीं आया? Everybody understood what happened in the experiment?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am.
So now we are going to our textbook. Just remember copper sulfate CuSO4 and remember that copper was put in the negative terminal and steel plate is put in the positive terminal. Okay, so the experiment looks something like this. It's there in your book also. So in your textbook what they did is दोनों इन्होंने copper plate दोनों side में लिया है. But we are going to see what actually happened only in that experiment that we saw. Okay, so I'm going to one second. Sorry, I'll just pause record. Okay, let's draw that circuit that they made in the experiment. Okay, first they took a beaker or a jar or whatever, glass or whatever you call it. In that they had copper sulfate solution. What was the color of it?
Blue.
Blue color sulfate, copper sulfate CuSO4 solution. Then they took two plates. One was copper plate,
Another was steel plate.
another was steel plate. So I'm going to put steel plate in green color. Okay. And then they had the wires connected here. So यहाँ पे था negative terminal बैटरी का और यहाँ पे था positive terminal इस तरफ को. Electricity flows from which direction to which direction, guys? From positive to negative or negative to positive?
Positive.
Positive to negative.
to positive.
Positive to negative or negative to positive?
Positive to negative. Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, positive. Negative to positive.
Okay. Negative to positive or positive to negative?
Positive to negative, ma'am. Because negative.
Have you guys direction of electric current is always positive to negative, which means in this circuit also electricity is passing from this side to here to the water. Okay. And like this, it's completing inside. Got it? Is this much clear to you?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
that's a positive to negative.
Yes. Electricity guys, electric current या electricity का direction positive to negative होता है. But do you guys remember I told you something about electrons?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember what are electrons?
Ma'am, small particles.
Small particles that are there in atoms. Okay? So negative particles. Okay, electrons are negative particles. For now you only need to remember this, and in your book they've not really mentioned it so clearly. So far we've been studying, okay, positive to negative electric current is passing, but in reality what happens is electricity is passing from positive to negative, लेकिन जो electrons हैं, negative charges जो हैं वो negative to positive move होती है. ठीक है? क्योंकि negative वाले side से ही negative charges will come out, no? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so from negative side the negative charges are coming out. Okay, so now let's imagine CuSO4 is there inside this water. This metal is also made up of Cu. Okay, whenever electric current is passing, do you remember I told that electric current जब होगा तो जो भी materials water में is present, it is breaking down into two parts.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will the two parts of this one be? copper and sulfate. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
in this water, completely we have copper sulfate. But if you are putting electricity in it, then the copper sulfate is breaking into copper and sulfate. Okay. Is that much clear? So there are copper all around
Yes,
and
Yes,
sulfate
ma'am.
also all around.
Ma'am, copper, that the red color one which in that water they take out, no, that only, no.
Okay. Copper is actually like that golden brown color. Okay. The one that you saw na, this plate, it is somewhat golden brown. That
Yes,
is the
yes.
actual color of copper. But copper sulfate is blue in color. ठीक है? But दोनों में है तो copper ही. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
So don't get confused. Even in the water, we have copper. In this plate also, we have copper. Okay. So now, check this out. If there is negative charge here, copper has positive charge, okay? And sulfate has negative charge. Cu2 plus and SO4 2 minus होता है. ठीक है? Copper में plus charge होता है, sulfate में negative charge होता है. अगर this part is negative, then this one will also become negative.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This one will also have negative charges. This one will have positive charges.
Yes.
Okay. So wait, hold on. I think I am only making some mistake right now. So just forget whatever I told you so far. Okay. Whatever I said, just ignore it. You saw the video. You know all the facts, right? कि क्या हुआ उस video में. So in this, there is a copper plate and there is a steel plate. Don't mind what charges where it is. Okay. Whenever we are putting two metals in water, do you know that they are called electrodes? I told you this last class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you remember that we put those two nails,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
We put those two nails and we called it electrodes.
Yes.
So this is electrode number 1 and this is electrode number 2. Okay? Okay, that much is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, whenever
Yes,
electric
ma'am.
current is passing, what will happen is from the negative terminal, जो भी copper है, it will fall into the water. ठीक है? जितना भी copper is there in the metal, it is coming into the water. But the water is also having some copper
Yes, ma'am.
in form of CuSO4. Okay.
Yes.
So if copper from the metal is coming into the water, you remember displacement reaction? Do you remember displacement? एक चीज
Yes,
दूसरे को
ma'am.
हटा रहा है. One thing is removing another thing. You know, we said higher reactive metal is removing lower reactive metal from
Yes,
the
ma'am.
solution. You remember that part? Yes, Aisha, you've raised your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have doubt. Ma'am, before you said no, in that sulfur and copper have different colors. Why, ma'am?
Okay, that is again, it will go into detail electrons ke us pe. Copper is actually brown or like golden brown color, and copper sulfate, because of sulfate the color changes. If I tell you details में कि electron jump करता है और color change होता है, that is going to go over your head. ठीक है, वो बहुत डिटेल वाली चीज है, बट अभी के लिए इतना समझो कि कलर इज डिफरेंट. ओके ओके, यस आयशा, इज दैट ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want me to teach you in detail, I can, but let's not do that right now.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. So now, अगर copper वाला metal plate जो है, from that metal plate, if copper is falling into the water, that means one copper from this. If one copper from the plate is coming into the water, that means one copper from the solution should also go to the next plate.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because now it has taken its ka jagah. Where will it go? So it will go and attach itself to this plate.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's what happening in the experiment. कि थोड़े time के बाद, when we give it some time, then the part of the plate which is in the water इट
It
विल
will-
बिकम प्लेटेड बाय कॉपर, और ये जो कॉपर है वो सोल्यूशन से आ रहा है, पानी यानी कॉपर सल्फेट वाला जो सोल्यूशन है उससे आ रहा है, ठीक है?
Okay,
इज
ma'am.
दैट क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
इतना समझ आया?
Yeah, I am, ma'am.
आई
Yes.
डोंट नो। अभी मैंने आपको इलेक्ट्रॉन्स वाला इसलिए बोला था क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिक करंट का जो
Yes, ma'am.
डायरेक्शन है, डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव, ओके, बट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मूव इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन, गॉट इट? Always remember that
Okay.
electric current is positive to negative, electrons is negative to positive. So you can write that down. Direction of electric current,
Is positive to negative.
electric current yani electricity, is positive to negative, but direction of, sorry, DI.
Direction of electrons charges.
Yes.
Negative
Direction
to
of electrons is negative to
positive.
positive. Okay?
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इस तरफ को आ जाते हैं, ओके, सो व्हाट विल हैपन टुवर्ड्स दिस साइड, वो पॉजिटिव चार्जेस को अट्रैक्ट करेगा, ठीक है? सो इन डिटेल अगर हम एक ही प्लेट का देखते हैं, तो अगर यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, राइट, इन दिस एंड देयर आर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स,
Yes,
यानी
ma'am.
नेगेटिव चार्जेस,
Hey.
ओके? अगर यहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज है तो जितना भी इस प्लेट में प्लस प्लस वाला चार्ज होगा वो इसके बीच में आ जाएगा, ठीक है? ऑल द प्लस चार्जेस विल बिकम इन द सेंटर। अगर सारा प्लस चार्जेस सेंटर में है तो माइनस चार्जेस विल बी वेयर?
Outside.
आउटसाइड, okay? So here outside there are minus minus charges, and in CuSO4,
Inside.
in CuSO4 I told you it is Cu2
Okay,
plus
ma'am. Plus
and
is
SO4
outside.
2 minus, okay? So just I'm going to erase this part now. So what will happen here is this जो negative वाला है ना, minus वाला जितना भी, it will also, so basically ये जो minus minus वाला charge है वो मैं SO4 2 minus I am talking about that, okay? So since this plate यहाँ पे it is like inside में it becomes positive, तो ये जो solution यानी पानी में से from the water it is attracting SO4 2 minus to its side, okay? First CuSO4, that is what is causing the minus minus charge. Then copper from this plate is reacting with SO4 2 minus to form actual CO, displace कर रहा है, and this
Right.
CO which is left behind will go and attach here because it has to go somewhere,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? So in detail, if you don't want to remember कि minus किधर है, plus किधर है, it's okay. All you need to understand is direction of electric current, what is it? Direction of electron, where is it? And you need to know कि जो भी negative वाला plate होता है, whatever plate is there in the negative, from that the metal is going into the water, and from the water a metal is going into the positive wala side, okay? So what will happen अगर काफी time के बाद if this
Okay, ma'am.
metal से copper निकलता जाएगा, what will happen to this metal? From this side, if the copper
Which
is,
metal, ma'am?
I'm talking about the first वाला electrode, उसमें से copper निकलता जा रहा है ना, it is keep on going from this side to this side. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I think it,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am, it's it.
So
Ma'am,
what will happen अगर यहाँ से metal निकल के उधर attach हो रहा है? What will happen to this part?
ma'am, it will break
It will break, but it will break, okay? But why will it break?
because, ma'am, that positive charges.
It will become thin, पतला हो जाएगा वो part, okay?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
And what will happen to this part then, जहाँ पे metal is going and attaching?
Ma'am, I think that
That
will,
color will change.
Color will change, but what else?
ma'am, it will break.
It will not break.
Why, ma'am?
Okay, imagine like this. आप एक टेप का रोल ले रहे हो. You're taking one tape roll. You're taking one more tape roll. Okay. From this tape roll, you're pulling the tape and you're spinning the other one ताकि उसमें लग जाए.
Yes, ma'am.
एक तो पतला हो जाएगा ना. One will become thin. No, one tape roll will become thin.
Yes, ma'am.
इससे टेप निकल रहा है.
Ma'am,
What will
that
happen to the next one?
मोटा हो जाता है. That it will become bigger.
It will become thicker.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this one, this electrode, यानी the negative वाले में जो attached है, negative electrode that will become thin, and the electrode which is attached to positive one will become thick. Is this much clear to you guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, Hajira, Alia, Husna, Mehek,
Yes,
Aisha,
ma'am.
Taj, Asma,
Yes, ma'am.
all of you. Okay. So just know that minus वाला जो side है, that will become पतला. Minus मतलब negative में जा रहा है, पतला हो रहा है. Positive मतलब उसको और मिल रहा है. Okay? Okay? Clear? Can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
remember it like that?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'm gonna pause
Okay,
recording for some
ma'am.
time.
It is easy.
ये भी पढ़ोगे. Like ये जो दो electrode, the two electrodes that are there, they are given names. Okay? The negative electrode minus VE, negative electrode. One second. I wrote the wrong thing. Negative electrode is called anode. And positive electrode is called cathode. Okay. How I remembered this in school is cathode, THODE, and T ke upar this plus sign is there, no? That means
Yes,
plus.
ma'am.
Okay. Cathode ka plus. T mein there is a plus sign. That means the positive electrode is cathode and the negative electrode is anode. Okay. I want you guys to remember these names because I'm going to use cathode and anode from now onwards. Okay. Is that okay if I use cathode and anode?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you remember cathode is what?
Cathode plus.
Cathode
Positive.
means positive electrode. यानी जो भी positive वाले से connected है, okay, whatever is connected to positive side of the battery is cathode and whatever is connected to negative side of the battery is anode.
And
Which means cathode will become thick. Like this side of it. Okay. Which means cathode will become thick and anode will become thin. Okay. All right. Arfa, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Can you guys take a screenshot of this? I want you to write first point, second point, third point, fourth point, and then only draw this diagram, draw this one, and just write plus यहाँ पे. Don't do this plus minus thing. I don't want you to do this plus minus thing. Can you please all of you be on mute? Somebody is not on mute. Who is this? Nesika. Nesika, be on mute. She's not listening only. I don't know what she's doing. Okay. I can't unmute her also. I'm not able to. 1 second. Yeah. So this is what you have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Okay. Now I'm going to share your textbook screen. And this what we just studied is electroplating. Okay. 1 second. So open your textbook to the last. All right. So page number 178, electroplating. So what happens is, you guys, I'll show you my copper bottle. Okay. Do you see? Some places it is shiny. Some
Yes,
places
ma'am.
it's not shiny.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If I scratch it, I will be able to see under ka metal. See?
Yes,
इसमें जो
ma'am.
actual metal use किया है, the actual metal used to make this bottle, I can see it,
Yes.
but it looks like copper because it has copper plating. Okay, so we're gonna read one by one. So in your cycle, your cupboards, bottles like this one, all those shiny surfaces that are there are made by electroplating, because copper is expensive metal. You can't have one full bottle made up of copper only. Yes, Umesh? You have a doubt? Okay. So what happens is, some of these metals are very expensive. See, you can read it over here. Electroplating is useful
Ma'am?
because it is used in industries for coating metal objects with thin layer of different metal. So मतलब अगर आपने steel का bottle लिया है and you put copper, so which electrode will this be, guys? अगर मुझे एक steel का bottle, if I want to electroplate it, in which terminal, positive or negative terminal, will I put it?
Ma'am, say once more time.
Positive, ma'am, positive.
Positive. The question is, if I want to take a steel bottle and I want to coat it with copper, which terminal will I put the steel bottle and which terminal will I put the
Positive.
copper?
Copper in negative and that
Yes.
bottle in positive.
So copper will become in will be
Ma'am.
there in negative, because copper has to be the anode, and the bottle or जिसमें भी electroplating करना है, whatever needs to be electroplated should be at the cathode, so that from the negative it will go to the positive. If you put it the other way, what will happen? In copper there will be a layer of the other metal. Okay, clear with that much?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If it
Okay.
is, ma'am, if it is copper, then we will add the anode. No.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, copper we will put in anode, and this bottle they must have put in the cathode. Then only copper का पूरा layer इस पे चढ़ा है. ठीक है? This must have been a cathode at one point. ठीक है? Cathode पे इसको रखा है and then इसको plate किया. Okay? So why
Ma'am,
we do all
you-
this? Because sometimes, yes, Umesh?
Ma'am.
Yes.
You showed that experiment. No. If we, ma'am, scratch that copper side, we will get silver one, ma'am.
Not silver exactly, whatever metal से coat किया है, that metal. Okay, whatever metal is actually used in this. Okay, so usually metals like silver, gold, copper and chromium, you can see the word chromium here, are used for coating some other material, silver, gold, copper, chromium, all these things. Why? Because these metals are kind of expensive. Copper is actually not that expensive, but chromium, silver, gold are very expensive. So sometimes they just take a normal metal. Sometimes copper ke chain ya necklace mein they will coat gold so that it looks like gold. Okay, is that clear? So uses of
ma'am.
electroplating. So this whole process of, so you will underline this part, this process of depositing a layer of desired material on another material by means of electricity is called electroplating. Whenever I ask you what is electroplating, you said plating of one metal on another metal using electricity. Okay, plating of one metal on another metal using electricity. नाम में ही उसका meaning है. ठीक है? Easy? Everybody understood what I just
Yes.
said?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Give me
Yes,
thumbs up. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Whatever. All right. I'm still seeing only a few responses. I don't know what others are doing. Okay, so this one is important. And what are the uses of electroplating? It is used in industry for coating metal object with a thin layer of different material. Chromium jo hai, it is done on many objects like this, bicycle handle and all, to give shine. Okay, so chromium ka uses, questions will be asked like, why should you do electroplating? Okay, what is the use of chromium for electroplating? So chromium जो है, it has shine, it will not corrode. Corrode मतलब, corrode होना मतलब,
Yes, ma'am.
what is
Corrode.
corrode होना? करोड़ों होना नहीं, करोड़ होना. Iron gets corroded. Corroding of iron is what?
मैम मेल्ट हो जाना
Ma'am,
Melt होना नहीं, starts with R.
Rust.
Rust.
Road.
Rust होना. Corrode होना मतलब metal is getting spoiled. Okay, it is, the layer is getting removed one by one. Iron ka corrosion, when iron gets corroded, it is called rusting of iron. Okay, same way all metals can get corroded. So to prevent that, and if it gets corroded, the metal will become weak and it will break off. Yes, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And our cycles and all these things are made up of iron only. Cycle ka handle, okay,
Yes,
cycle
ma'am.
ka handle, bridge, all of those things. Then they plate it with chromium, or they put a layer of chromium in all those machine parts so that it will not corrode and it will not become weak, so that it will look shiny, it will not scratch. Chromium will resist scratch, and it is also very, chromium is expensive, so we cannot make the whole thing with chromium, isliye we plate it with chromium. Okay, so usually we make the whole thing with a cheaper metal and we plate it with an expensive metal. Okay,
ma'am, chromium means it is very pure silver color, no, ma'am. It is like look like stone, no.
yes, so kind of like, let me say, like this color, this tip color.
Ah, like that only, ma'am. Yes, I
Yes.
saw in good.
So that color is chromium wala color. Okay, it looks somewhat like silver. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so silver and gold are used to coat ornaments, because ornaments jo hai, if you do only with silver and gold, it's going to be very expensive. Some people cannot afford that, so they get gold plated or silver plated ornaments. ठीक है, तो उससे क्या होता है कि after some time that shine will go off. It's called rolled gold. ठीक है, it's like not real gold, it's called rolled gold. Okay,
Yes,
you've
ma'am.
seen maybe sometimes, maybe you can see parties where people wear and go all these rolled gold because they don't want to wear expensive thing. Another use of electroplating is tin cans to store food. Iron will become rusted. Iron में अगर पानी लगेगा तो वो rust हो जाएगा after some time.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It
And
will-
rusting, if you eat that rust wala thing, what will happen to you?
we will like poisonous ho jata.
Yes, food poisoning. I was waiting for that word. Okay, अगर हम वो rust को खाते हैं तो it will give us food poisoning. So in some of the tin dabbas in which you get अचार, tin का जो डब्बा होता है, oil आता है कभी कभी tin के डब्बे में, cheese
Yes,
आता है
ma'am.
tin के डब्बे में, है ना? So that is
Yes, ma'am.
actually not completely made up of tin. It is made up of iron. उसमें tin की coating लगती है, ठीक है? Because tin is not reactive. Okay, and it is safe for humans, so it will not become rusted, it will not get spoiled, and it will protect the food from getting spoiled. Okay, and
Yes,
same
ma'am.
way in bridges, it is made up of iron, but हर part के ऊपर कौन सी coating लगती है?
Silver.
No, see, I'm
Copper.
understanding
Zinc,
it.
zinc, ma'am.
Zinc. Okay, so chromium, silver, gold, to make metals look expensive and shiny and scratch resistant. Okay, and then tin cans for food ka dabbas, and zinc for making bridges and big buildings. Okay, to prevent from corrosion. I know we don't have a lot of time, so tomorrow we are going to list down reasons of electroplating. Why should we do electroplating? I have marked this. You guys can take a screenshot of this and mark
Ma'am,
it
I'm-
in your book.
I don't want.
Okay.
Market.
Done, ma'am.
If you've marked it now only,
Done,
then
ma'am.
but tomorrow again we are
ma'am.
going to list this. I'm going to ask you guys and we will make a list from this one only. So if I ask you why should you do
Okay, ma'am.
electroplating, you will tell me to prevent corrosion, to give shine, all those things. Okay. So I'm gonna clear
ma'am.
this
Okay,
part
ma'am.
and quickly we will
Ma'am.
just go upper now ek bar. Okay, there
Ma'am.
are a few experiments. Yes, Umesh.
For silver, no. We
Hmm.
can call as like chromium, no.
Silver is not chromium. Chromium is chromium. Silver is silver.
Ma'am, then what is gold?
There are different. Chromium is, I think you write chemical formula of chromium as Cr. I think, if I'm not wrong. Not sure. I'll check and tell you. Silver is Ag and gold is Au. ठीक है?
A-
These are different metals. सब अलग-अलग metals हैं. They are not same. Okay? Steel is not a natural metal. Okay? Steel is not a natural metal. Steel is a man-made metal.
Steel.
Okay? क्योंकि स्टील जो है हम बोलते हैं ना वो स्टेनलेस स्टील जो है we say stainless steel का बर्तन and all, right? Vessel made of a stainless steel.
Yes, ma'am.
It is actually not natural. You can't find it in Earth's surface naturally. It is man-made. How
Ma'am,
they? Yes.
we cannot find this in periodic table, ma'am.
No, you can't find steel in periodic table. Check
This
it.
is
It's not there.
different, ma'am.
It is different because steel is made up of mixture of different metals. Like there is iron also. There is little bit.
Ma'am, in that
also.
only natural. No.
What? Iron. Asma, did you ask iron?
No, ma'am, in periodic period we have only natural metals.
Yes.
No?
Yes. In periodic table, natural also and जो भी elements, those are elements. ठीक है? Periodic table में elements होते हैं. जो iron है, iron एक element भी होता है और iron लोहा भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है? So जो periodic table में the iron that is there, it's not loha. That is an element. It's a name of an element. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So don't go into detail with that.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
just know that steel it has little bit amount of iron, little bit amount of nickel, chromium, all those. I don't know what exactly, but I'll check in Google and I'll tell you. Now there is an experiment in your textbook, activity 14.6. So they will show you, I will show a video of that experiment. Before we watch that video, I want you guys to just note down a few things. Only one question actually. What are the chemical effects of electric current? I will write down the question for you. What are the chemical effects of electric current? Okay, so write it down in your notebook. And when I show you the video, they are going to say that there are many effects of chemical current. Many chemical effects of electric current, and they will tell you what those are. Okay, ऐसे बोलेंगे बस. So I want you to notice that. Clear? Instructions are clear? What
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
going to
Yes,
notice,
ma'am.
Husna? Husna, what are you going to notice in that video?
Ma'am, we have to see that chemical effects of electric.
Yes. Okay. So 1 second, I will just show that activity. It's a very nice activity. I will clear my screen also. I hope you all written the question. Okay. Pay attention.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल एजे पटेल इंस्टीट्यूट। आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर के अंदर हम परफॉर्म करने वाले एक्टिविटी नंबर 14.6 और यहाँ पर हम चेक करेंगे कि अगर हम किसी सॉल्यूशन के अंदर से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास करेंगे तो उसकी केमिकल इफेक्ट क्या होगी। इस एक्टिविटी के लिए हमने लिया है वाटर, सॉल्ट, वायर, बैटरी एंड ग्रेफाइट रॉड, जिसको हम इलेक्ट्रोड बोलेंगे। अब यहाँ पर जो वाटर है उसकी कंडक्टिविटी को इंप्रूव करने के लिए हम उसके अंदर सॉल्ट ऐड करेंगे। अब उसको मिक्स कर देंगे और मिक्स करने के बाद उसके अंदर ये जो इलेक्ट्रोड है वो इंसर्ट करेंगे। देन आफ्टर उसकी केमिकल इफेक्ट को हम चेक करेंगे। अब ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है उसको हम सॉल्ट वाटर में ऐड करेंगे। अब जैसे ही हमने ऐड किया, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर कि ये जो ग्रेफाइट रॉड है, जो हमारा इलेक्ट्रोड है, उसके ऊपर आप बबल को इजीली देख सकते हो। अब ये बबल क्या इंडिकेट करता है? ये सिंपली ये बताता है हमें कि यहाँ पर केमिकल इफेक्ट हो रही है। आप ध्यान से देख सकते हो यहाँ पर। चलो मैं पूरा इंसर्ट कर देता हूँ तो बबल्स आप शायद ज़्यादा देख पाओगे। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आप सिंपली यहाँ पे अगेन आप देखो ध्यान से, तो आपको बबल देखने को मिलेंगे। और ये दिस इज नथिंग बट द केमिकल इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। इस एक्टिविटी में हमने कंक्लूड किया कि ये जो हमारा कार्बन का रॉड था उसके ऊपर गैस के बबल फॉर्म हो रहे थे। अब ये क्या इंडिकेट कर रहा है? दिस इंडिकेट सिंपली नथिंग बट द केमिकल इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। अब यहाँ पर जो बबल फॉर्म हो रहे थे, इसके अलावा काफ़ी सारे इफेक्ट पॉसिबल है, जैसे कि ये सॉल्यूशन है उसका कलर चेंज होना, ये जो इलेक्ट्रोड है उसके ऊपर किसी और मेटल का कोटिंग हो जाना, इस तरह के काफ़ी सारे चेंजेस पॉसिबल है। दूसरी एक चीज़, ये हमने जो सॉल्यूशन लिया था, अगर इस सॉल्यूशन को चेंज करें तो भी काफ़ी सारे इफेक्ट हमें डिफरेंट मिल सकते हैं। तो इस एक्टिविटी को हम यहीं पर कंप्लीट करते हैं। इस तरह की और एक्टिविटी को देखने लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें।
ओके, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। अब बताओ, व्हाट आर सम केमिकल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट? Oh, I'm seeing raised hands, but I want more people to raise hand. Only 2 people. Okay, I'm gonna start with Shahid.
Ma'am, they take one jug, they put the water. After that,
Shahid, don't explain the activity. Just tell me what all chemical effects can you see in electric current?
Ma'am, change of
I can tell, ma'am.
Umesh, do you want to finish your answer or should I give chance to Arfat?
ma'am, give chance to Arfat.
Color.
Change of color. Okay, Arfat, next one.
Ma'am, that electrode attracts water bubbles.
Okay, water bubbles. Okay, change in color of solution. Number 2 is water bubbles. Okay, appearance of
Ma'am, it will like can't you see that there was that black one is there? No, that water is usko ma'am खींच रहा.
खींच नहीं रहा है, वो bubbles form हो रहा है. That is not खींचना. That is a different thing. But okay, let's not again. मैं तो बहुत डिटेल में चली जाऊंगी तो तुम लोग को प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. Appearance of bubbles. But tell me, वो bubbles कौन से इसमें आया था, कैथोड में या एनोड में?
Which one, ma'am?
In that experiment, just imagine कौन से डायरेक्शन में आया and tell me if it was a cathode or anode.
Ma'am,
Cathode, ma'am.
Cathode. Okay, cathode.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. This. Okay, and the third one was change in color हो गया, appearance of bubble. One more they said.
what they said, ma'am?
लास्ट में they said एक और effect हो सकता है, जिसका अभी हमने पूरा class we spent doing that only.
Electroplating.
Plating. Okay, plating of one metal
On another.
on another. Okay, so these are the three effects of three chemical effects of electric currents that we are going to study in this chapter. We did electroplating already. You know that these two things are called electrodes. Okay, there is one more experiment over here where you can do it in your home only. If you take a potato and you put a battery positive end here, and this is only a tester. Okay, this is a tester क्योंकि कभी-कभी electric current जो है, it is not so powerful. So if you put it around a compass, if you see the compass moving, it means electricity is there. Can somebody tell me why? Why will this electric wire move the compass?
Move the compass.
Why will it move the compass like this?
Magnetic effect.
Magnetic effects of electric current. Very good. Okay, because electricity has magnetic effect also. तो इसीलिए ये जो magnet की तरह भी काम करेगा और उसे move करेगा. And if you just leave it like this, if you leave this setup like this, you will see a green color spot on the potato. In which terminal, guys? Tell me, cathode or anode?
Ma'am, say once more.
Anode,
ma'am.
ma'am.
कौन से वाले टर्मिनल में आपको ग्रीन कलर देखने को मिलेगा? इन विच टर्मिनल कैन यू सी द ग्रीन
Anode,
कलर?
ma'am.
Anode.
Yes.
Check this. The longer line means what?
Zyada positive.
Positive. And the negative line means, I mean, छोटा line means?
Small means
Ma'am,
So if it
cathode,
is
ma'am.
connected, if it is connected to the positive side, then this one is what?
Ma'am, cathode.
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 You will see the green color in cathode.
Yes.
Okay. And that's what you saw in the previous experiment also. It is going from anode, मतलब anode पतला हो रहा है, cathode is becoming thicker.
Yes.
है ना? So always you will see the reaction in cathode. Okay, positive वाले में you will see the reaction. Okay, that is what we did now. There are a few more things that I need to teach you. So tomorrow we will finish off this chapter and we'll try to take some questions also from the exercises if there is something interesting. So please read electroplating at least. Try doing that activity if you can. If you have a battery and some wires, you just put it in potato and keep it for some 5-10 minutes. You'll be able to see that. Okay. So done.
Okay, ma'am.
Quickly do a fist to 5 on the chat box, please.